came out of the office. Had to do some paperwork real quick. That's Ariel in the background playing her leapfrog computer. She learns her letters and sounds and stuff. Anyways, what are we doing today? I gotta run to Target. I got to go get the car washed and come back to the office, and yeah, not much else to do. I know it's been a minute since I vlogged, so I figure why not today since we're doing a lot of running around. And yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoy our day. So alright, we're about to drive off, so I'm gonna turn this off. We're at Target and they're having huge sales, and we found these cute shoes on sale. Aren't they adorable? They're perfect for spring and Easter and when we go to Florida. And look at this cute shirt I just found. It's on sale. Yeah, you hold it up. Ooh, pretty. So we're gonna try to figure out some stuff together since I had to make some exchange. But yeah, let's keep looking. There's such cute dresses that are on sale right now. Not on sale, but regular price. So, yep, this is my dilemma. Every time I come here, I always find a bunch of cute stuff. So, let's get shopping. Uh-oh, she got the hiccups. Ah. Okay friends, so we went to Target and they had a bunch of sale stuff. Maybe I'll do a Target haul. I don't know, I got a bag full of stuff. If you guys want that, you know, I'm gonna go get the car washed right now. So yeah. So this is illegal driving with Ariel in front, but we're in the you know, the drive-through car wash, so she was freaking out in the back, so I pulled her out, you know, and it's her first time through the car wash. So yeah, water. Yeah, water. Ooh, that's so cool. Oh my gosh, I just had a scare. I was turning on my camera and it fell. I just thought I broke the lens, but it's fine. As you can see, I'm recording. Ariel is having a snack before I'm heating up some leftover pizza, so we're gonna eat that and some chicken wings. Healthy diet. We've been doing good though. We take our green juice pretty much every other day. Sometimes we can do every day. Most of the time it's every other day though. And yeah. What else do we have to do today? We hit up Target, we got the car washed. It's pretty much all we had to do today. Yes, I don't have any makeup on, and I don't know if I will be doing any makeup today. If I do, I'll show you guys. You guys will see. So yeah. After we eat, it's probably gonna be Ariel's not bedtime, but her nap time. So yeah, then I'll probably just relax a little bit because I feel like I'm constantly cleaning all day, every day. It's my life as a mother, clean up. And yeah, so we'll just bring you along with whatever else we do. Just wanted to show you guys, Ariel's pretty much a pro at using her fork now. But now she's gonna cheat and use her hand. Hey! You sharing? Thank you. Use your fork, baby. You gotta put down. There you go. Although she holds it a little funny sometimes. Sometimes she holds it correctly, but she's holding it like a pen. It's hilarious. Yeah, I got pizza too. This is mine, and then this is Ariel's. I cut it up. She probably will only eat like half of this. Yeah. So she's learned how to crawl on top of the ottoman by herself, and she's attempted to jump from here to the couch. Not jump literally with her feet, but like scoot off and yeah. That's her little fort. She thinks she's hiding. Uh-oh. You jumping? Jump, baby. Yeah. Jump. Jump. You got a runny nose? Okay. Do I look tired? Because I am. This little one right here does not want to take her nap. So it's been serious. It's been affecting me, of course, because I don't get that quiet alone time. That's okay. We're gonna leave here in a minute. Yeah. She's had a couple fits. That's alright. But we're gonna get ready to go, and we'll bring you along. You sharing your ball? Oh. Oh my goodness. Gotta love her. To our destination, and it's literally pouring out. Like, we went from sunny to this. Can you hear it? Like, it's starting, like, it's blue skies. Like, where is this coming from? This is crazy. Oh my gosh, you guys. It hasn't rained like this in a while. I feel like this is crazy. Wow. You hear it getting loud? Crazy. I was hoping Ariel would fall asleep, but of course she's not. She's fighting her sleep like no other because she took a 10-minute nap in the car earlier. The life of my life. My life. And the rain stops, or slows down, I should say. Crazy. Okay, friends, so we went to the store and I forgot to film. Sorry. We only went for a little bit of stuff. As you can see, just a couple bags. We got some fruit and that's pretty much it. Some fruit and some little snack bars and some cereal. But that's about it. Everyone wants to say hello. Say hi. Why are you gonna be shy now? You gonna talk on your phone? Here, right here. That's a phone case that didn't work for me. So she just uses it as a play phone. I don't want it, baby. You talk. She knows she's cute. For snacks. Snacks. Yeah. What do you need help with? Do you guys want to see a video of Ariel and all her sign language that she knows? Leave a comment below letting me know. And also, she knows pretty much all her body parts as well, so I can do a video on that too. That's not water. This is your water. Let me know in the comments if you guys would like us to see a video like that. Otherwise, I'll just, you know, keep it pushing. All done? Okay, here, give it to me. Thank you. Alright, well, I'm gonna put the groceries away while Ariel plays. So it's just about 5:30, and it's days like this that are super gloomy that make me just want to cuddle up with a blanket and a movie. Oh, I don't know. What do you guys like to do on rainy, cloudy days like this? I really do like to just snuggle in a blanket and watch a movie. I'm not a popcorn girl, I'm an ice cream girl. So yeah, no ice cream for me though. Alright friends, we didn't do much. I picked up my mom and she's in there eating. We didn't eat because we were full. And yeah, so we're just gonna say goodnight. And you wanna say goodnight? Good night. Bye. Bye. Alright, love you guys. Don't forget to thumbs the video up if you love vlogs. And subscribe if you aren't already. I'd really appreciate it. Get to see more of her face, my face. I know it's not as pretty today, but yeah. So that's it. Say goodnight. Say bye. Bye. Wow. I have to say, that was pretty easy and pretty fast. It's a very smooth application.